The overall goal of this protocol is to provide a reliable, anatomically accurate method for segmenting the human hippocampus with subfields on magnetic resonance images. Here, the hippocampal subfields are divided into 5 labels: CA1, CA2-CA3, CA4 dentate gyrus, SRSL-SM, and the subiculum.
This method can help answer key questions in the neuroimaging field, such as how hippocampal subfield structure changes in healthy and diseased states. The main advantage of this technique is that it is tailored to high-resolution images collected on a 3T scanner, and it includes subfield definitions for the entire anterior-posterior length of the hippocampus.
Begin by entering the following command seen here into the terminal to open the software interface. On a T1 weighted image, enlarge the coronal view and zoom in on the hippocampus. Select Segmenting in the navigation window, and then select XY radius. Set the XY brush size to 0.1. Scroll to the anterior-most coronal slice of the hippocampus. For slice A, the anterior-most slice, draw the outermost border of the hippocampal gray matter where it meets the surrounding temporal lobe white matter, and use the high-intensity white matter of the alveus to assist with the superior border. Use the Label Fill key in the Segmentation menu of the navigation window to fill in the label inside the border. For slice B, the hippocampal head 1, continue to draw the borders of the hippocampal head by using the white matter of the temporal lobe and alveus as a guide. Next, for slice C,